Hey guys, let's see how to delete Snapchat account. First of all, tap on your Snapchat apps and tap on your profile picture and then tap on gear icon. Scroll down, see here Health Center. So please tap on here and search bar. Default select delete my account. So tap here. Scroll down and tap on Snapchat account portal. Please wait for loading and scroll down and tap on delete my account. Please see here and read this article carefully and then select your username and password and then continue. I hope now you can delete your Snapchat account easily. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video.